Welcome back to our channel. So in this video we shall start exercise 9.3. So the first problem is, in a circle of radius 10 centimeters, a chord subtends a right angle at the center. Okay. So let us take a circle with center O. Okay. In a circle of radius 10 centimeters, a chord subtends a right angle at the center. So let AB be the chord. Okay. Let AB be the chord. Okay, so it is mentioned in the question that a chord subtends a right angle at the center. That means this chord subtends right angle at the center. Okay, that means angle AOB is 90 degrees. Okay, so okay, this chord AB subtends right angle at the center. Okay, angle AOB is 90 degrees, and it is mentioned in the question that in a circle of radius 10 centimeters, that is radius, OA is the radius and OB is also radius. That means OA is 10 centimeters and length of OB is also 10 centimeters. Okay, so find the area of corresponding minor segment and major segment. Okay, so here APB, so let us take here APB. So APB is the length of minor segment and major segment is, let us take it as Q. AQB, it is a major segment. Okay, so if we here OAPB is a sector. Okay, if from the sector, if we remove area of a triangle, then we can get the area of minor segment. Okay, so from the figure. Okay, so first write the given data. So given that O is center of circle, radius OA equal to OB equal to 10 centimeters is given, and angle AOB is 90 degrees. Okay, so APB is minor segment and AQB is a major segment. Okay, okay, so from the figure, to find the minor segment, okay, to find the area of minor segment, we have to subtract the area of triangle from area of this sector. Okay, so from the figure, area of minor segment equal to area of sector OAPB. Okay, minus OAPB, area of this sector minus area of this triangle OAB. Okay, area of triangle OAB. Okay, so we know that area of sector is formula is x by 360 into pi r square. Okay, minus area of triangle is half into base into height. Okay, half BH. Okay, since it is a right angle triangle, we can take one side as base and one side as height. Okay, so now equal to x by 360. That means here angle AOB. That means x equal to x value is 90. Okay, so 90 by 360 into pi r square. In the question it is mentioned that pi value is to be taken as 3.14. K. So 3.14 into r square. So r square, that means r is the radius, nothing but 10 square. Okay, 10 square minus half into base into height. Half into base we can take it as 10 OB and height also OA. Okay, half into OA into OB. Okay, equal to 0 0 get cancelled. 9 1s are 9 4s are. Okay, so 1 by 4 into 3.14 into, so 10 square is 10 10s are 100. Okay, minus half into OA value is 10 centimeters and similarly OB is 10 centimeters. So centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square. Here also centimeter square. Okay, so 3.14 into 100. That means this point shifts to the 2D to the right side. That means 314 by 4 minus. So let it 2D. Okay, so 10 times 100 by 2 centimeters square. Okay, so 2 2s are 2 1s are 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are. Okay, so 157 by 2 minus 100 by 2 centimeters square. Okay, so here 157 by 2 minus 100 by 2. That means denominator is 2. So we'll take it as common denominator. So 157 minus 100 by 2 centimeters square. So 57 by 2 centimeters square equal to 2 2s are 4 into 1 7 17. That means 2 8s are 16.25. Okay, so 28.5 centimeters square. So this is the area of minor segment. Okay, so First area of minor segment we got 28.5 centimeters square. Okay, and we have to find the area of major segment. So in order to find the major segment area, so we can subtract the area of minor segment from the area of circle. Okay, so if we subtract area of minor segment from the area of the total circle, we get the area of major segment. Okay, so now area of major segment equal to area of circle minus area of minor segment. Okay, so area of circle is, we know that formula is pi r square, minus area of minor segment we have obtained 28.5 centimeters square. Okay, pi r square, it is mentioned in the question that pi value to be taken as 3.14. Okay, 3.14 into r square, that means our radius is given that 10 square. Okay, 10 centimeters, that means 10 square r square is minus 28.5 centimeters square. Okay, 3.14 into 10 square is 10 times 100 minus 28.5 centimeters square. So 3.14 into 100, that means point shift 2d to the right side. Okay, so 314 centimeters square minus 28.5 centimeters square. So let us subtract 314.0 minus 28.5. Okay, so 10 borrowed, so 5. Okay, 13 minus 8 is 5. Okay, again 28, so 285.5 centimeters square. So this is the area of major segment. Okay, area of minor segment we got 28.5 centimeters square, and area of major segment we got 285.5 centimeters square. This is the answer. The next question is, in a circle of radius 12 centimeters, a chord subtends an angle of 120 degrees at the center. Okay, so first draw a circle. So suppose draw a circle, let O be the center. Okay, so let O be the center of circle. Center of circle. So given that in the question, given that a chord subtends an angle 120 degrees at the center. So let AB be the chord. Well, let us suppose to take AB be the chord. Okay, and AB be the chord. So in the question it is mentioned that a chord subtends an angle of 120 degrees at the center. That means AB, this chord AB subtends an angle of 120 degrees at the center. Okay, so that means angle AOB is 120 degrees. Okay, find the area of corresponding minor segment of the circle. So okay, we have to find the area of minor segment. That means we have to find APB. Let us take it as APB. Okay, we have to find APB. So similarly, in our previous problem we have discussed that to get the area of minor segment we have to subtract the area of triangle from area of sector. Okay, so similarly what we have done in our previous problem, same we have to do in this problem also. Okay, so here the radius of the circle, it is mentioned that 12 centimeters. That means OA equal to OB equal to 12 centimeters. Okay, okay, now OA equal to OB equal to 12 centimeters. Okay, radius OA equal to OB equal to 12 centimeters. So in triangle AOB, so if AB is the base, if we take AB as the base, so we have to get height. Okay, so let us draw AOC. Okay, draw OC perpendicular to AB. So first step is draw OC perpendicular to AB. Okay, now this OC bisect the angle into two equal half. That means 120 degrees is bisected into two equal half. That means angle AOC is 60 degrees, and similarly angle BOC is also 60 degrees we obtain. Okay, so in triangle AOC, so sin 60 equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Okay, so this is the 90 degrees. That means opposite side opposite to this 90 degrees is considered as hypotenuse. So OA is the hypotenuse here. So sin 60, that means opposite side is to the 60 degrees is AC. That means AC by OA. Okay, so sin 60 is AC by OA. So it implies that sin 60 degrees value is root 3 by 2 equal to AC by OA is 12 centimeters square. Okay, so 12 centimeter gets multiplied with root 3 by 2. Okay, so 12 centimeters into root 3 by 2 equal to AC. 2 1 ja 2 6 ja. So AC equal to, we got 6 root 3 centimeters. Okay. Similarly, cos 60 value. Cos 60 equal adjacent by hypotenuse. Okay. Here adjacent value is OC by OA. Okay. So cos 60 equal to adjacent OC by OA. So it implies that cos 60 value is 1 by 2 equal to. So OC by OA is 12 centimeters. 12 centimeters gets multiplied with 1 by 2. Okay. So 12 into 1 by 2 equal to OC. 2 1 the 2 6 the. It implies that OC equal to, we got 6 centimeters. Okay. Now, so in order to get the area of this segment APB, we have to subtract this area of triangle AOB from area of sector. Okay. Now, area of minor segment. Okay. Minor segment APB equal to area of sector OAPB minus area of triangle OAB. Okay. So area of sector formula, we know that area of sector formula is x by 360 into pi r square minus area of triangle is half into base into height. So here base of the triangle is AB and height is OC. Okay. So half into base into height. So equal to x value. It is given that x value is 120 degrees. Angle AOB is 120 degrees. Okay. In the question it is mentioned. So 120 by 360 into. So pi value to be taken as 3.14 since it is mentioned in the question. So 3.14 into. So r square, that means r radius is 12 square. Okay, 12 centimeters given. So 12 square minus half into. So base of the triangle is AB. Consider as AB and height is OC. Half into base is AB and height H is OC. Okay. So 0 0 get cancelled. 12 on the 12 3s are. So 1 by 3 into 3.14 into. So 12 square 12 12 is 144 minus half into AB value. So AB value can be obtained as AC plus BC. Okay. So AC value we got 6 centimeters, 6 root 3 centimeters. So okay. Similarly BC value also we can get 6 root 3 centimeters. Okay. So 6 root 3 plus 6 root 3 is 12 root 3 centimeters into OC. OC value here we obtained is 6 centimeters. So right here. So therefore AB equal to AC plus BC. Okay, AC value is 6 root 3 plus BC value is also 6 root 3. Okay, so 12 root 3 centimeters. Okay, so here write one step. Similarly, in triangle BOC, we get BC equal to 6 root 3 centimeters. Okay, so therefore AB value 12 root 3 centimeters. Okay, now 3.14 into 144. Okay, so 3.14 into 144. So let it start. 3 4s are 12. 2 4 24. 3 8s are 24. Okay. 3.14 into 48. 4 8 4s are 32. 2 3 8 1 8 plus 3 it's 11. 8 3s are 24 plus 1 25 into 4 4s are 16. 4 1s are 4 plus 5. 4 3s are 12. 2 7 10 5. So before 2 digits point, so 150.72 centimeters square minus 2 3s are 6. Okay, 12 3s is 36 root 3 centimeters into centimeter square. So 150.72 centimeters square minus 36 root 3 value is 1.732. It is mentioned in the question. So 1.732 centimeter into centimeter square. Okay, so 36 into 1.372. Okay, 1.372 into 36. 6 2s are 12. 6 3 is 18 plus 1 19. 6 7 are 42 plus 1 43. 6 1 is 6 plus 4 10. Similarly 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. Okay. 3 7 are 21 1 2 3 1 are 3 plus 2 5 2 15 and 13. So before 3 digit point, that means before 3 digit point, its value is 62.352 centimeters square. So 150.72 centimeters square minus 62.352. Okay. So 150.720 okay, minus 62.352. 10 borrow. 10 minus 2 is 8. Again 11 minus 5 is 6. Okay. So 6 minus 3 is 3. Similarly 10 borrow. 10 minus 2 is 8. Then 14 minus 6 is 8. Okay. So 88.368 centimeters square. So this is the area of minor segment. So area of minor segment we have obtained that 88.368 centimeters square. This is the answer.